Hey guys, MacGuzman here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing. This is the Gans 356X. This is the $60 cube, but it has a bunch of customizations and everything. And I've had a lot of people ask me already, like, Mac, why the crap would you buy a cube for 60 bucks? And here's my reasoning. I don't know. I just bought it because it has a bunch of customizations, and I like customizing my cubes. So let's get into it. I'll open it and I'll see what it's like. Whoosh! Oh yeah, look at that. Just keep this off to the side there so you can see the Gans logo. Look at that. Let me see. There's the cube itself. Oh, and there's a card inside here too. Alright, so let's see what's inside here. Alright, there are the magnets. Here's the giant freaking... What the crap is this? Look how long that is. Keep this off to the side as well. Let's see what else we have. Has like steps on how to customize your cube and stuff. Alright, so we got the tensioning pieces, we got the magnets, and the cube itself. So I'm gonna put these off to the side real quick, and let's open the cube and try it out. Ooh, that's fancy. It's like Pac-Man. Yeah, that's very fancy. I'm gonna keep that off to the side. Now is the big reveal. Dun dun dun. If I can get the package open. Feels pretty light. It's small too. Wait a sec. Is it small? Oh, it's actually a tiny bit bigger than my GTS. This is my GTS 2. I would have bought the GTS 3, but I didn't know the GTS 3 was out, so I bought the GTS 2 instead. But now I bought the Gans 356X. Holy crap. What? Oh my gosh, what? Jeez. Oh my gosh, it's so... What in the world? I didn't even know this was possible. Oh my gosh, I keep overshooting it. I think I'm gonna have to add the stronger magnets. That is amazingly smooth. What? What the crap? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Like, let me check the corner cutting. What? Okay, look at this. Here's over 45. That's the reverse. Alright, now let's try to see if it corner cuts to the other way. Just reverse. That's still very, very, like, wow. That is amazing. That is truly amazing. Oh my gosh. That is insane. I don't understand. How does that work? There are the magnets. Let me see how it works in a solve. Oh my gosh, that is truly amazing. I don't understand how something could be this good. It just doesn't make any sense at all. I keep overshooting my turns. This is amazing. I don't understand. I keep overshooting my turns by a lot. Holy crap, that is absolutely mind-blowing. I don't understand how it's this smooth. It's just... Let me look in here to see which ones are the magnets. Okay, so there's strong, medium, weak, and null. What's the difference between strong and null? Oh, I think the stronger magnets is what's inside here already. Yeah. I think the stronger magnets are inside here already. Huh. Let me see. Whoa, look at that. Let me try the one of the clear ones, the null magnets. Oh, I don't want to break this. How does this come out? Oh, it just pulls out? It looks like it just pulls out. Okay, because I really don't want to break it. It's supposed to be... Oh, yeah. Oh, that just popped right out. I can't tell the difference between the null or not. Oh, the stronger ones have this little tip right there. It's like a... It's like you can see the magnet. So the stronger magnets are already inside here. Alright. And the colors are so vivid as well. I'm just like, I can't talk about how awesome this is. The colors are so vivid. Like, they're not too bright and not too dark. Like, if I do a checkerboard pattern, oh my, look at that. It's amazing. What the crap? It's like, it's so easy to tell apart. Even if the camera, like, does some wacky thing with light adjustment, it still looks amazingly good. Oh my gosh. So in another video I had, I was trying to clean out an old Rubik's Cube that was also a Gans, and I didn't have the right tool to tighten it. But it looks like this actually comes with that tool. Oh, don't come out, please. Ah! I want to keep you all nice and good. Yeah, there you go. I just want to take out this one piece. There we go. This thingy. It's like a hexagonal tool or something. I don't know. But it's like you put it in here and you just twist it and it does it. But that is just, I don't have any words for it. That's so good. It's like the best ever. I've asked a couple of people, they said, nah, the Gans isn't worth $60. It's way too much money. But this is just crazy amount. This is just crazy. Like, it moves so easily. I don't understand. It's so smooth. It's just crazy in how smooth it is. If I was Chinese, this would be super helpful. Because it shows, like, all the instructions on how to solve it. I'll keep that off to the side. This cube is just absolutely amazing. That's like the 10th time I've said that. But it really, truly is. But I'm going to try out some practice solves, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm at my computer now, and we're going to do some solving. And this cube is just, I don't even know how to describe it. I'm going to mess up a lot because of how fast it is. I'm going to do probably a separate video of me switching out the, all the adjustments and everything you can do. Because you can swap out the magnets, and you can swap out the middles. I mean, not the middles, but like, you can swap out the, tensioning systems. But right now, I'm going to do some solve averages, solves for a solve average, and we'll see how well I do. I'm probably not going to do as good because the cube, I keep overshooting. So like, when I do a U move, sometimes it'll do a U2, like that. Yeah. And you're probably thinking like, oh, why don't you just use the stronger magnets? Well, these are the stronger magnets, so that's a little bit of a problem. But mix it up, and I'll do it, so. Alright, inspection. Oh my gosh, I can't even. It's too fast. I can't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's too hard. I can't. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That's just, it's too fast. When I was doing F2L, I messed up like twice. Alright, I'm gonna do another mix up and solve it again. Alright, inspection time. I'm not sure about this one. This one looks kind of hard. Oh crap, where'd the green piece go? That's not good. I lost track of the piece. Alright, you know I failed now. Unless I can somehow pull off something very, very fast, but I can't because I'm not that good with this cube. Oh my gosh, no! No! What was that? Come on, easy, 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 easy. Easy, come on, easy. Stop locking up, stop locking up, please, please. Ah! It's like I can't not lock up. I mean, not lock up, but I mean, like, it keeps slipping too fast. I really need to get used to this cube. Okay, let me try that one more time. Looks like I could probably... Oh, this is not good. Oh, crap. No, I am not doing good at all. I can't find where the pieces are, and when I do, it's just moving too fast. It's all the piece's fault. It's not my fault at all. It's the cube's fault for being too good. What? Oh my gosh. Jeez, it's moving too fast for me to, this is moving too fast. I really need to get used to this cube. Like, okay, see this yellow here? If I do my normal U, it goes all the way to white. It's like, I'm gonna have to do a lot of customizing on this cube. But, that'll be saved for another video. If you like my unboxing and review of the Gans 256X, please like the video and turn on notifications on my channel, and be on the lookout for the review, the second review, which will be testing out the customizations and the solve average for this cube. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-dum.